This is a Audi RS5 2019 model. This is how to remove and reinstall the window regulator. So to get the panel off, you want to remove this little trim piece. Don't break it because obviously it's expensive. There's a screw here, and then underneath there is a screw right there. Pop the panel off all the way around, and there's kind of a gnarly looking chunk of plastic that clips in there. You need to open these with a little screwdriver and then pop the panel out and lift it off. Then you disconnect the wire harnesses, and you want to disconnect the speaker as well at the same time, and then remove the door handle pull rod there. Then you can completely put the panel off to the side. The window regulator sits inside the envelope of the door like that. There's four nuts that attach to these bolts. Remove those, and then also remove the 3 screws that hold the power window motor through the envelope of the door onto the back side of this guy here. Get the glass up to about this level. Undo this guy here, and then there's a bolt that goes all the way through. Once those are out, you can pull the glass all the way out, and I put it on the seat over here to keep it out of the way. Then you can completely remove the window regulator. The reinstallation of your window regulator is exactly the reverse of what I just said, taking it out. Put the window regulator in, tighten the 4 bolts. You can put the glass in, tighten the 2 bolts there, and then screw the motor on with the 3 bolts that go into it, speaker back on. This little panel does kind of live in here. Then bring the door panel back up, plug in the wire harnesses. Remember to attach the door rod and push it and clip it back in place. It does kind of just lip over here, and then push it in place, and then put the 3 bolts back in, the little trim piece back on, and you're done. If you ever need a window regulator done by us, we, instead of plastic parts, we use metal parts, and we put a lifetime guarantee on those. Some of these plastic parts we don't change because we don't need to. They never break. These are the main components that have the entire load. And if you look at how the glass is arranged, that 60% of the glass is on this rear part here, and the rest of this is just trailing. So let us know if you need one of these done for you. PowerWindowRepair.com. Good luck, guys.